Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at restoring a Hero Ranger ATB. Before we go on, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do share with your friends. I headed out to the local hardware store to pick up some materials.
Here at the hardware store, and I'm going to be getting a bunch of paints and thinners now.
Having got the material, I was heading back home, but the weather turned and it started raining. We had rains for the next couple of days, and when I found half a sunny day, I decided I'm going to start painting my cycle. Incidentally, I had disassembled this bike quite some time back with the original idea of restoring it. Unfortunately, work and other videos came in the way, and the shortage of parts did not help. So this went onto the back burner, like some other projects of mine too. The first order of business was to scrape off all the stickers. The bike being over 30 years old, we could not peel the stickers off. The glue had dried out completely, therefore we had to scrape it off. Over here, you can see me using a blade, set at an angle to just scrape off the sticker, causing minimal damage to the paint below. Since my plan was not to do a complete repaint but to do another coat of paint on the existing paint, I had to sand it down. Therefore, I was using a fine grit sandpaper and roughed up the original paint on this bike. And now, a tool that I've been waiting to use for quite some time. This is the buildskill paint sprayer. This is an electric paint sprayer and it comes with about a 1 liter can on it. Considering that I'm painting a cycle, I would have liked it if they came up with multiple can options, as I would have used a smaller can since the amount of paint I would be using for this particular project would be quite less. They give a measuring tool which I use to ensure that the paint is of the right viscosity to ensure that there are no lumps and blockages caused inside the sprayer. Stir the paint up once more in the canister and then we're ready to go. This paint gun was quite powerful and it took me a little bit of time to get used to it. With the tremendous experience of having painted this one handlebar, I proceeded to paint the fork and well, the experience helped. I got a little bit more paint on the fork than on the wall itself. And my paint experiment continued with me trying to ensure that the fork was completely covered in a fresh coat of paint. I did manage to paint the fork and the handlebar fully, and before I could get to the frame, it started raining. Well, restoration continues in a future video. So till next time, safe ride everyone.